Are you tired of getting hate or spam comments on your TikTok videos? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to limit comments on your videos so that only people you approve can comment. This is a great way to keep your account safe and free from negativity. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to protect yourself from online trolls. To get started, first open up your TikTok app. And then tap on the profile button at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on your profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings and Privacy. So what you want to do next is tap on Privacy. And under the Interactions section, you'll see an option called Comments. Tap on that. When you are on this screen, you can see there is an option to limit comments. So under Who can comment on your videos and stories, you can set it to everyone, and that will allow everyone to comment on your stuff. You can select followers that you follow back, or you can select no one. So if you want to limit comments, you can select followers that you follow back and that will limit comments. Or you can select no one and that will disable commenting on your videos or stories. You can also choose to filter all comments. What this will do is it will make your recent comments on your videos hidden unless you approve them. You can also filter spam and offensive comments. And you can also filter keywords. And type in a keyword that you would like to filter. And now if someone comments with that keyword in the comments, it will get filtered and it will ask you for your approval before showing that comment in the comments section. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.